In this lesson, we're going to talk about one of the most important things that day traders have to realize, and it is the downfall of many a day trader. 3 little letters: ego. The bottom line is that nobody wants to be wrong when they make a trade, or in life for that matter. But as traders, it is so important for us not to have an ego when we make a trade. We have to realize very quickly when we are wrong in a trade and get out of that trade. There is no room for, oh, I'm so right in this trade. When I first started trading many years ago and I left the Florida New York Stock Exchange, one of my biggest problems was, and I learned this very quickly because I wanted to be a successful day trader, is I would buy a stock and it would go down, and I would buy more and it would keep going down, and I would buy more and it would keep going down until I couldn't take it anymore. Then I would get out of the trade and end up losing a lot of money. One reason for that: how could I be wrong? I've been trading my entire life. How could David Green be wrong? Well, guess what? We're going to be wrong in trades. Losing is part of day trading. As a matter of fact, if you execute a trade properly, there's no difference between a winning trade and a losing trade. Let me say that again. If you execute a trade properly, there is no difference between a winning trade and a losing trade. Because 2 things are going to happen. Either we're going to lose a little bit of money and execute that trade properly, or we're going to make the target profit that we want to on the trades that we do. Take the ego. Hang it at the door when you walk in. There's no room for it in day trading. Let's move on to our next lesson.